Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. My favorite season is here, fall is here, and this video is all about pumpkin spice and everything spooky. I'm decorating my house. I got a Shein spooky nail haul for y'all. Me and my mini-me did some shopping at Walmart.
So let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Fall is finally here and I am so excited to be doing some decorating for the house, and I'm just picking up a few things with my daughter.
So y'all, we are here in Walmart. Say hi to my mommy. As y'all know, it's Chuck Does It All.
So today is September 1st and I have been waiting all year for Walmart to break this little nail section out. It's with all the spooky nails for Halloween, and all these nails are only $5.97. So let's get into them. So these are by Kiss Salon Design, and they all glow in the dark. And one thing about it, two things for sure, Kiss is going to always come with a really cute Halloween design on their nails. They come with 24, 28, or 30 nails, and glue is included, and Kiss does have a really good nail glue, so make sure y'all get some. They even got the Impress mini collection for kids, and the kids nails are no glue nails, so you don't have to worry about gluing your kids nails down. They're just for fun. So the kids nails automatically have like a sticky tab on the underside of the nails, and you just stick them on. But let's get into the rest of the Kiss Salon Design nails. I love these. These are almond shaped and they're made to look kind of spooky, like blood. So if you into that, Kiss got you. I love that coffin shaped pop art with the purple tips and the spiders and the spider webs, super spooky. And then they have some just plain medium square length, looks like blue black nails. They have kind of like that blue black galactic look to them. They have a little shimmer in them as well. These are really cute, almond shaped with the pink spider webs on them. So now let's get into the Salon Perfect Spooky Season nails. These also come with nail glue, and they have 30 nails in the pack. So you have multiple nail sizes to choose from to fit your nail beds. This green set was really cute. I don't really see a lot of green sets around Halloween, so that one was really cute. And then they also have this like medium almond purple set, is really cute. And then Salon Perfect also has cozy season nails. So these are more for fall. So they giving you spooky for Halloween, and then they also giving you the cozy nails for fall. And this gold metallic set is definitely giving all the fall feels. And then I love this brown short kind of cinnamon brown set, is really cute as well. So on the other side of the spooky nail display, they have more spooky nail art and stickers and nail wraps. These are $7.97. And every year I try to find me a set of candy corn nails. I love candy corn, so I always do me a candy corn set every Halloween season. So next time you are in your local Walmart, make sure you guys check out that little section. It's kind of like in the middle of the walkway near the beauty section where all the makeup and stuff is. So get them now, get them early before everybody get them and they be all gone. And my daughter requested pancakes for dinner, so I picked up some pumpkin spice pancakes and some pumpkin sprinkles, and we're gonna make her some pancakes for dinner.
Oh, look what I found. These look delicious. We got some pumpkin spice donuts.
They're bomb. We had those last year, remember?
The pumpkin delight.
Little Debbie got all the snacks.
The pumpkin spice oatmeal cream pies.
So this is what I was really going to Walmart for. I am in the process of doing my fall decor in the house, and I found these really cute black and white pumpkins. They were only $5. I was initially going to put them in the bathroom, but I said, you know what, they would look so cute on my coffee station, and look how cute they look at the coffee station. So as I mentioned, my daughter wanted pancakes for dinner, so I picked up that pumpkin spice pancake mix. I got pumpkin spice sprinkles, we got some whipped cream and some Mrs. Butterworth's syrup, and I whipped her up some pancakes real quick. And don't be sleeping on the Great Value brand. It's called Great Value because it's a great value and it's good. They good. It's busting. So now let's get into this spooky Halloween nail haul that I got from Shein. And Shein is really coming with it with the nails this year. So this first set, of course, I got me some duckies. Y'all know I love me some duck nails. And I love all the 3D art and nail designs on this set. These are Shein's handmade nails. So I believe they are made from acrylic or gel. But I had a little issue with these nails. Hey y'all, so I'm just laying on my bed doing some editing for this video, but I just thought I'd just chime in because as much as I love this set really blew me because this is the first time I've ever had a nail set malfunction from Shein. It looks like whatever design that they put on the nail, it wasn't fully cured, and during delivery the nail got messed up. But I also ordered some Halloween nail charms, so I'm thinking that when I do get ready to apply this set, I can fix that one nail malfunction by adding one of these Halloween charms to replace whatever they was trying to do with that pink polish. Maybe I could put like one of the pumpkins on there, or like a little bat, or one of the little ghosts on there. But when I get ready to do this set, I'm gonna do a video so y'all can see how I fix it. So let's get into the next set that I got. I love this set because of course you gotta have like an orange set for Halloween. So this set has orange French tips, and then it has spiders and bats and ghosts and pumpkins on them. And these are not handmade nails, these are just your regular standard nails. But let me tell you, the quality of these nails are bomb. They're not flimsy, they're not easy to break, they're really shiny and glossy. And for these nails to only be $2, they're definitely giving salon quality, which we always want to give salon quality without the salon price. That's why we are press on nail girlies. Now let's get into this set. I love me some stiletto nails. Stilettos have now become my favorite shape of nails. It used to be coffin, but I love me some stilettos. But let's get into this set. This is another set from Shein's handmade nails, and this one is very well made. These are also giving demure, cutesy Halloween as well. Halloween doesn't always have to be orange nails. Like, I love that they incorporated pink, white, black, silver. I love the 3D nail art on these nails. That little ghost is cute. The pumpkin is cute. Every detail on this set is made to perfection, and this set was only $8.56, so it's a little cheaper than the other handmade set that I showed you guys first with the malfunction. That was $10. But we gonna fix that. Just stay tuned. We gonna fix that other set. So if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content that I have coming up. But let's jump back into the haul. So I also got me some press-on toenails. These are giving cutesy spooky as well, with the little ghost and the pink French tip. They come with 24 different toenail sizes, and they're only $1.20. And here we have another spooky Halloween nail set. These are a long square shape. These are also not the handmade nails. These are the regular standard nails, just like the orange set that I showed you guys. And these nails are so cute. I love the bats. I love the spider web with the heart in the center of it. I love like the little fall stitching design on some of them. Some of the other ones have a black cat on them. Some also have a pink spooky pumpkin on them. And These are definitely perfect for the Halloween season. I know we just got to fall, but in my opinion, soon as September hits, that's when I'm decorating for fall and Halloween. And I'm doing fall and Halloween nails. And what about it? No. But let's get into this next set. So this set is a long stiletto shape. These are pretty simple. They're not spooky, but I just feel like they matched the Halloween vibe and I really like them. We're gonna call these elegant spooky because they give you a little spookiness with the black, and they're also elegant at the same time. They're just basic clear nails with the 3D black design on them. These are the regular standard nails. These are not handmade, but the quality that they give are almost just like the handmade nails. And I was just looking at the toenails. I was like, when I put my toenails on, they literally last for 3 weeks, and I could switch multiple nail sets and keep that same toenail set on. All of them nails match that one toenail set, so I could stretch my toenail set between like 2 or 3 nail sets. I change my nail sets weekly and I keep my toes on about 3 weeks, so I'm definitely getting my money's worth with the toenails. Even though they was only $1 and some change. And this is the end of our pumpkin spice and everything spooky nail haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a comment and like this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. See y'all in the next one. Peace.